Welcome to my channel! Hello everybody, today we got all of these squash things. Hello everybody, today we are doing squishy hug challenge. When my sister stops and touching these, then we can start. Okay. The names. This is big giant bear.
Oh, big giant bear.
He could. That's the squishy.
Oh.
Now this is the dog, and let me tell you this name, Finker.
Finker dog.
He could just eat our fingers. Okay, this is the Peyton beer. Peyton beer. This is it's squishy, and this is name Bim Spring Squish. It's in a bib. The ball, and this is Minnie. Let me kick the ball. Now let me kick it back to the side. Okay. This is Minnie and she squished, but she can make noise, but the battery is gone. Here you go. This is Catty, and she's sad because she don't have anybody.
Oh, she's sad. Why?
Because she don't have anybody.
Oh.
This is
This is a bear.
And this is a bear, and she's sad.
Why is she sad?
Okay, this one. This is
Delicious.
This is Dolly, and she's so small, but she can't. But she can't squish heads a little bit. But this is just the soft. Doggy. This. The monkey and the kid are on the tree.
Yay! Climbing!
The monkey's sad.
Oh, why is he sad?
Because nobody else is there. Look, this is Mr.
What is this?
People, and what? It's her red.
Oh.
You know something's red. It's have orange side and the blue side, but it's in the other side.
Look at the doll.
How should we take this off?
Hey, what's in the walking?
His hand's coming out. Oh shit, it's not actually a thing. We got two sides.
Two sides.
This is a hard one to take out.
It's broken. Affects that.
Look at this Mr. Beer. We got two sides. We got to put him inside too. Now, what? Where is him? How should we put him in?
Let me show you.
But I didn't know if you could do that. But now I can show you something. What's this? What's this? Oh,
What's a button plate?
okay. Let's get off.
What are you doing?
I almost take him out. Let me show you something,
What?
Mr. Bear.
Oh,
Now
there's two sides.
No, they have one side.
They have one side now.
Because I put in this person to the side. I'm going to put him on my book bag. I'm going to put him on my book bag.
Okay.
And let me tell you who's this. This is my sister's doll.
Finger
And
song.
she's name. She has a
How do you do?
How do you
She's name
do?
is Fauna. She's name is Fauna. And this is Dogana. His name is Dogana, but he's sad and he couldn't move. This is my sister doll, and she's name is Falkana. No, actually Nakana. That's Fauna, and he's a teddy bear and he got a tie. This is
Look
my
at this.
teddy
What is
bear.
this?
This is my teddy bear, and he have a tie, and he's happy. And this is a bird, and this is a bird, and his name is Faulkner, Sheen, and she have wings. Oh. I got to do two about ourselves.
Got it.
Look, this is name is Fauna, not Amy, and this name is Amy. Actually, this name is Fork, and that name is Nike. Actually, no. This is something. This is a pony, and her name is Barbie now. And she's name is Dolly, and she could swim like we are. This is all of these ones. This is Risha that's mine.
These are Risha's?
But we got race. Whoever wins, and we got to just start and put them here. This is Risha's corner, and that's my corner.
That's my corner. Okay.
And that Risha's corner, oh, what? Here you go. Okay, no, not twinkle, twinkle.
Okay,
The
let's
other day we-
start. Time start now.
Let's do it.
Fast, Risha, hurry up. Hurry up. Fast.
This is. What do we do? Next.
This is just a doggy.
Now I win too.
Mama,
One of us upside down. Look who's not upside down. These are all upside down. Look, that's the ball. Why? Because we don't have the side. But look, see the doll is on the white side, but he falls too. I am the winner.
Who is the winner?
Me, because look.
Why? Because
Why? All of mine is straight.
it's yes, all these are straight, but Warisha.
This is never straight. Look.
Oh, maybe she is so small.
But one squashy thing left. Hiding with the toy, but my sister found it. My sister and we just go to you. Close your
Okay,
eyes.
Warisha, close your eyes now.
Hey, he's a spying!
found it.
Oh, what was it?
No.
It was a monkey. It's a monkey. It's a
Monkey.
No,
Not there.
that's a monkey. That's a bear. That's your all of them.
Oh, found the monkey.
No, monkey.
What's that?
So I got to tell you guys the question. Look.
Here it is. You
I
found
told you. You
it.
didn't know. Now it's my turn. But there.
You want to hide this ball? Okay, maybe you have to put it here.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes, Ayaan.
I know it's in here.
This is a cheating.
No, I didn't see it. I didn't see the idea. You said it. Mama.
Oh.
It's still fine.
Look at this.
Let me go tell you something.
Okay.
I'm done. Found it. No, I'm in hide and
What?
And hide is so tricky place. It's somewhere in this room.
Don't tell him. Don't tell her anything. Where is it? Found it. Where is it? Where is it?
It's a hot, it's a tricky, it's a secret, nobody's to tell. Maybe in my pocket? I told you!
It is
It's
in
an
the pocket.
island because I told you again. Now your turn to pick something else. That was mine. Chris is something else. No, it is a place.
You can hide it somewhere. Hide it somewhere. Okay, put it there. Okay, thank you. You have to come. She put it there. You have to find it now.
Easy peasy. We said we both do this sleep over the two.